Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can install and use Axios in your ReactJS application. In this video we will implement a GET request to fetch data from a REST API. So without any delay, let's start. First of all, I will open the Google and search here Axios. I can open this website. The website name is npmjs.com. And from here you can get this command npm I Axios. Okay, so I will simply copy this command by clicking on this icon, and now I will open the built-in terminal like this, and here I will paste this command and press enter. Okay, it is showing me up to date because this library was already installed, but in your case Axios will be installed in your project. The next step is what we want, that I already teach you that once user will click on this specific button, we will, by using a GET request, we will fetch data from a REST API. So first of all, I will type here on click, and then I will pass a function name here like fetch users, and then inside my app function I will define this function as an arrow function like this. And now first of all we need to import Axios from Axios. Okay, and then you will type here Axios dot get, and here you need to pass the URL. Okay, so I would like to define the API URL outside of our function app, so I will type here let and or const API URL is equal to, okay, so my API URL is basically http colon localhost colon 8002 / API and / users. Basically I have wrote this REST API, and obviously this server will be running on my localhost port like this. You can see there, this is the Node.js code of my REST API. But for an example, if you don't have this type of API, you can get any API from the internet like dummy JSON. Okay, let me show you. You can click on it, and from here you can get API endpoint. Let me click on view on GitHub or read docs, and here you can see that https colon / dummyjson.com and test. So once you will use this API endpoint, if API will be called successfully, you will get this type of response. Okay, they have also another endpoints to fetch users data, to fetch products data, so you can explore their website. But in my case I'm going to use my own REST API endpoint that I have built. Okay, so simply instead of double quotes I will type here API URL, and then we need to type dot then we need to type dot then. Okay, and inside this we have to pass a parameter like response. You can give any name to this parameter, and basically I am passing a callback function. So this function will be called if your API request will be, or the data that you are trying to fetch in this example, if it will be fetched successfully, or if your API request will become successful, then this callback function will be called. And then let me type here dot catch, and function here let me type here error. Okay, so if any unexpected thing happens, then let me comment here error handling in case error occur. Okay, success handling, and here you can write your logic, your further logic. Okay, so if your API request will become successful, you receive and data. So now it's up to you that either you have to build a UI and display this data to the user, or whatever you want. Okay, but in our example we will only show you this data in a console. So let me type here console.log and response. Okay, and from here let me type here console.log error. And one more thing I'm doing here, console.log error in API request, and here let me print here data fetched successfully. Okay, so we almost have written our code. Now it's time to test our application. So first of all I will open the terminal and type here, I don't need to type Urdu, let me select English, npm run dev. Okay, I will copy this and paste here. So you can see that get all users So this is the button that we have created in our app.js. So first of all, I will open the console and clear everything. Now let me click on this button. Okay, so you can see that the data fetched successfully. Okay, so this is the dummy users data that is coming from our REST API. Okay, you can see that. And now for instance, there is an error in our REST API. Okay, let me produce an error intentionally. Let me comment this line, and again let me hide this, and now let me click on again. Okay, let me refresh. Okay friends, I have produced an error in my REST API. Let me show you. Here you can see that I just mistyped the spellings, and I also have commented this header. Okay, and now you can see that once I click on this button which say get our users, I'm getting my first error, cross origin request blocked, and here you can see that the console error message that I have displayed here. Let me show you here. Okay, error in API request, and then it is printing an error. Okay, let me click copy message or copy object, and you can bring this here to read it easily. You can see that it is showing us the error. So friends, basically this was the method that how you can install Axios and how you can use it to fetch data from APIs or from other endpoints. You can also learn more about it. Let me show you from where you can learn about it. You need to open this, and from here you can read this table of contents. Okay, you can scroll down from here. It is giving you commands how you can install it on npm or other packages, and this is, you can read their documentation. Okay, so here you can see that they are giving you some examples that how you can use this to put get request. Also you can, this is how you can use this to for a post request. And friends, you can read this according to your requirement. It have also other requests like delete and post request, put request, and patch request. You can learn about them. Okay, so hit the like button if video was helpful, and if you have any question you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And finally, thanks for watching.